Hi, I'm Kevin Jetton, Vice President and Event Planner for the Foundation of IT Education and a faculty member of Computer Information Systems at Texas State University. I wanted to share with you an awesome keynoter and workshop facilitator that we had at our USITCC 2019 event, April 4th through the 6th, 2019, as mentioned, in Galveston, Texas at the San Luis Resort and Galveston Island Convention Center. Who am I talking about? None other than Bob Graham. He has the message of soft skills. Those soft skills are critical, especially for the introverted traditional information technology, engineering, anything in the STEM space. They've got smarts, they have skills, they just don't have good communication skills and can't tell their story or share how awesome they are. He was our conference keynoter. He had faculty members. He had students of all ages. I'm talking your traditional college students as well as your non-traditional students standing up, taking control of their career. And we mentioned that a couple times in his keynote. He had them engaged. They finally got the message that many individuals, like myself as a faculty member, tell our students each and every day. You have to have a story. You have to differentiate yourself to prospective employers, and if you already have a job, you have to differentiate yourself of how you can get recognized, get credited, get promoted, and maybe even recruited to another awesome job opportunity. He also did a fabulous workshop that even attracted some of our sponsors and exhibitors to be at his workshop. He is awesome, he's personable, he's approachable, he connected with our group, he had them standing up and participating at 8 a.m. early, and this is college and university students who normally don't get up early. Trust me, Bob Graham is awesome, I'm a fan, he's awesome, he will make your conference successful.